In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to launch Startup Repair on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer to fix common startup-related issues. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you're unable to boot into Windows, just do a hard power off 3 times in a row. So just turn on your computer and then press the power button to do a hard power off 3 times in a row. Or if you're able to boot into Windows, you would select the Start button, select the little Start power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Again, the Shift key and then select Restart. If you're on the login screen, you can also access that little power button from there. Same function. And then where it says choose an option, select troubleshoot, and then select advanced options. And then underneath advanced options, you would select start or prepare. Fix prompts to keep Windows from loading, and then it'd be a pretty automated process. It could take 10 or 15 minutes or longer, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.